Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and this morning, I'm going to be making my peanut butter smoothie. Now, I will mention this is a low-fat peanut butter smoothie. We're going to be using a defatted peanut powder. If you're not necessarily worried about the fat content in your food, you can always use a whole natural peanut butter or any other nut butter of your choosing. But we are going to be using defatted peanut powder for this. So we're going to need 3 tablespoons of a defatted peanut powder. Now the one I'm using, I'll have the link below for. Any peanut powder will work. We're also going to be using 1.5 cups of a plant-based milk. I'm using my walnut milk. And then we're also going to be needing 2 medium to large bananas, or if you have small bananas, 2.5. And then I'm also going to be doing this in my blender bottle with my Ninja food processor slash blender. And any blender, high-speed blender works best, but any blender will work, just depending. You might need to use a little bit more plant-based milk in it if it's not as high power. So I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get started on this recipe. All right, to get started on this recipe, I like to load in my bananas first, and just to make sure I get them in there. And then I go in and add my plant-based milk. And then lastly, I like to go in with the peanut powder. That way the peanut powder doesn't stick to the bottom if you add that in first. And then we're just going to go on and screw the lid on. And then we are going to blend this for, depending on the power of your blender, of course, from anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds will be good. Awesome. That looks like it turned out perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and get that opened up. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up a little bit, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right, I am back. I got the kitchen tidied up, and I am here with my peanut butter, low-fat peanut butter smoothie. I gotta say, the consistency came out perfect. I pulled out one of my stainless steel reusable straws, one of the big ones for like boba teas, but it works great for smoothies. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Absolutely fantastic. You've got the richness that you would get normally from a peanut butter without the fat, with 80% less fat in it. Sweetness from the bananas, creaminess from the peanut powder and the bananas. Just an all-around amazing breakfast smoothie. Very similar to my low-fat peanut butter chia smoothie, but I know some of you don't like chia, or you want it just to be a little bit easier. This will fit the bill. This one I've been having recently, and Dr. Miller, of course, likes her peanut butter chia smoothie, but I like it without the chia, so I thought I would make a video for you and put the recipe up. So if you guys do like this video, or you go ahead and give it a try, please let me know how it goes in the comment section below. If you're on Facebook or YouTube, please, I would really appreciate it if you like the page and this video. And on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And as always, this recipe, all my past recipes and future recipes can be found at plantbasedgabriel.com. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my low-fat peanut butter smoothie, hoping that I will see you guys very, very soon.